What is going on, crypto news viewers? It's your boy Crypto RJ, and today we're going to be talking about Peipei once again. Now guys, you guys are loving the Peipei videos, so if you guys want to see more, let me know and I'll make them daily. Now back to Peipei. There's a bunch of news going on, a bunch of I guess updates and announcements that I want to share with you guys, and overall just go over once again. Now as we can see here, Peipei is currently down about 2.7% on the day. Now guys, that isn't really an issue per se in crypto, because obviously a 2% move in a day is pretty much expected, right? Like that's honestly not that crazy. It's not like a stock where that's actually a lot of movement, right? So another thing to notice is in the past week, they're down 20%. Now, again, if you want to go even deeper, in the past month, they're up 12%, but in the year, they're up 662%. Now, guys, the volume for the past 24 hours is 12 million. Another thing to note is the market cap. They have a market cap above 100 million. So at 100 million, guys, the market cap is looking pretty good. This means that for this to get to $1 billion market cap, we're looking at a 10x, so 10 times return on your investment. What that means is if you're investing $1,000, you can expect to make 10,000. If you're investing 10,000, you can expect to have a investment at $100,000. Now, will that actually happen? I do not know, but what I do know is that I do think that Peipei can at least get to a $400 million range. Now, here is what I want to share with you guys. So this wallet just bought $73,000 worth of Peipei this morning. So a casual 650 Ethereum balance with over $154,000 worth of Peipei holdings buying the dip, which is insane. So a lot of people really believe in this project. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Peipei on ETH, this is obviously not the green Peipei, the red Peipei, PEI. It just seems to be a project that a lot of people genuinely enjoy, and they're teaming up with it, right? There's a whole community here, and especially you guys. Shout out to you guys. I have to say thank you guys so much for the support, because a lot of you guys are really liking these videos. I'm going to keep making them as well. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is this right here. So Peipei has been listed on Bitmart Futures, which is obviously amazing. So another perpetual, let's get this going. So obviously, the more listings we have, the more liquidity, the more people talk about the project, the more fun we can have, especially when it's futures, you can start doing some really creative things over there. Another thing I want to share with you guys is right here. So we've seen just this week, right? Or I guess not this week. I guess this week. We've had Bitmart perpetuals, we've had OrangeX spot listing, which we talked about yesterday, and we also have a BitTrue spot listing. So there are 3 massive listings that we've had this week, and today is only Tuesday, guys. So there's still a long way to go before this thing actually, who knows what's going to happen by the end of the week. Like maybe by the end of the week, we'll have a massive one. Like, I don't know. I couldn't even tell you. Like, if you actually take a look at CoinMarketCap over here, guys, we could see in the actual markets, the main ones are, still Uniswap, Gate.io is a pretty big one. Deepcoin, MEXE, Bitmart. Like, what happens when we get KuCoin or, maybe like a Coinbase, like the bigger ones, like Crypto.com. Like when those happen, I think we're going to see some massive gains. Another thing I want to show with you guys is this right here. So obviously this was from yesterday, Whale Insider tweeting it. So usually when Whale Insider is tweeting about a project, that there's something good going on, guys. That there's actually something worth talking about. And speaking of things worth talking about, I want to quickly share with you guys another Peipei derivative, which is actually the Peipei blockchain. So this is Peipei Unchained. They have raised almost over $6.5 million. Now guys, this is a Peipei chain. It's ticker symbol PEPU. I'm going to leave a link to this down below. So if you guys want to actually go ahead and ape into this, you guys can use the link down below and go ahead and get into this. I've made a bunch of videos explaining this project as well, and I strongly recommend you guys should check it out. I know a bunch of my subscribers are aping in, so if you guys want to do as well, link down below. But just really high level, this has instant bridging between ETH and Peipei chain, the lowest transaction fees, higher volume capacity, so it's 100 times faster than ETH, and a dedicated block explorer. There's a bunch of this project has to offer, and I strongly recommend you guys go and check it out for yourselves, do some research and due diligence. And like I said, if you guys want to join us and join the channel here and buy a bag, you feel free to do so. Now guys, comment down below how much of Peipei Unchained you guys are buying. And guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, remember, stay seeking success.